I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Well, Joe, what you think?
A little wet.
Look at here. Look at here. Somebody from Dalton. Robert. What you think, K9? What's this sunshine pouring out of the sky?
Too long of a drive.
Hey, Austin, is this like Jackson? This the curse of Jackson following us up there? Yeah.
At least I didn't have to drive. 4 hours.
Who is this? You mind being on our video?
Huh?
Do you mind being on our YouTube channel? What's your name? Say hey to everybody.
Hey.
What's your job here? To stop it making it rain?
Just working the pit
You can't make it stop raining?
No.
Oh, well, we need to see that person. So we got some rain. Right now, I don't think the track's gone, but it needs to stop raining. It ain't real hard. But Kevin said he'll start melting if he stays out there too long. So I don't know about that with all that facial hair he's got. I think it just rains off like a duck. We'll be back in a little bit, let y'all know what we're gonna do. Colton, what you think? Show him your shirt, Colton. Show him the back of it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dang rain!
Alongside us again in 2024, Mr. Bobby Schuler, Higgy, Alabama. Those folks came Bedouin.
Hi y'all, it's the mailman. We made it to Buckshot. Look at here, got me a shirt. Higgy Racing. Y'all go check him out. It's Higgy Racing on YouTube. He runs up here at Buckshot. Hey, look at here. He can tell you all
man
about
here.
it right there.
We run up here at Buckshot every week. Run with some good guys up here. We try to go around. We go West Alabama from time to time. Try to go around, show new tracks. People that don't get out and get to see them.
That's right.
So,
well, thanks for coming over. We're excited to be here. I'm glad to see the rain's leaving.
Yeah, another
So,
cloud,
that's
but
good
it's
news.
So y'all get on there, Higgy Racing, YouTube, check him out. Good channel. In fact, we was telling him we watched his channel
To figure out.
what tires we need to bring. That's why we brought, 100 different tires.
Yeah. Well, thank you, man. We appreciate your time and efforts putting videos out for us to see what you got.
we appreciate y'all's videos and what y'all do.
Good luck tonight, man. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, guys, so we have made it to the famous Buckshot Speedway. It has been a couple of years now that I've been following and watching this track. Well, they have finally put on a SCDRA non-sanctioned race, but you know what that means? That means the big boys. And so there's a lot of awesome cars here that we've been following with the SCDRA series that we finally get the opportunity to race against. And so the rain was here earlier. Y'all saw that. Obviously it has stopped and they are about to start doing pre-tech. We've got the Falcon, we've got the 13. Austin and Dad and Kevin and whoever was involved got the 13 or the 00 engine back together. And ended up being a header, which you guys saw in the video before this,
And some other stuff.
and a few other things, but nothing important to like go over or to talk about. But what we're going to do now is we're going to head over, get both cars safety teched, which is awesome that they do that, make sure everybody's safety is good, and then we're going to get changed up and get into race gear and race mode.
All right.
Expectations for the night?
Win.
Dad wants to win, I want to win, Austin wants to win, so we just want FFR to win. Let's go get these cars safety teched, and then we'll go and look at the track. All right, guys, here it is. Buckshot Speedway. Like I said, we've been wanting to come to Buckshot for a long time. Finally made it. Let me get you a better view up top. There you go.
We'll let you know that tech is currently underway in the 4-cylinder division for the SCDRA cars that are here tonight.
So as of right now, the rain has stopped. The sun is even trying to peek out just a little bit. They have rolled the track in. I have to applaud Buckshot Speedway. They're doing everything in their power to get this race in. I will say this, I am very impressed with how fast the water has run off that track. For the amount of rain that we got and for how good that track looks right now, props to Buckshot Speedway, because whoever built it and designed it did a fabulous job, because it literally streamed to the bottom and like a river ran out and went into a ditch and out she went. So as of right now, thumbs up, we're good to go. We are getting ready to do driver's meeting here in a minute. We're going to get the cars uncovered off the tarps and get everything nut and bolt checked real quick, and I think go out for hot laps, because they're using their own personal cars to pack the track. So that's going to be good, because when we go out, we're going. So.
You're not behind both of those. You're in the wrong spot. Please get behind both.
But Dad got to make some laps, hopefully. This track is awesome, dude.
It seems like it might be fun, but I don't know. I heard somebody say there's a lot of weather that built.
There's Dad, though. At least he can say he's been around it. All right, guys, so the night hasn't even started and Dad already wrecked the Falcon. Y'all check this out. This is like a scene off of Weber Valley Speedway right here. You know what I'm talking about? I gotta get some pictures and tag them. Dad was out here hot lapping, and all of a sudden everybody started sliding down to the bottom and everybody's stuck down on the track. So we're gonna have to get this tractor in here to start getting people pulled out. So this is hilarious. But this guy came to try to push Dad out, and then he almost slid down the whole entire hill here and almost hit Dad. Luckily, we were able to push his car out of the way. So let's watch this and see what happens. Man, they trying everything they can. Everything they can. 130. Joe, come check his vitals.
That's what happens when you wreck a car to go to the hospital.
Dad's in the hospital, Dad. All right, guys. So,
And I ain't got no nurse good body for sure.
Get my good side.
yeah, I know. So, if you guys don't know this already, oh my gosh. If you don't know already, we're at the hotel. And,
I said fastest lap time.
yeah.
No, I said that.
Joe just spit his Mountain Dew all on me. Golly. But,
Fastest lap time.
I think
How did we never even start the race and we were halfway through that loaded up to the trailer caution?
yeah, so y'all check this out. Dad done showered. I got mud all down my face, up my nose.
Sponsor money's not
I
coming.
told Dad, I said, Dad, turn the car to the left and just stay there and we'll push you. And Dad goes, what? Snort. I'm talking about nose, everything packed full of
We're looking for a
dirt.
hotel sponsor right here.
But yeah, if anybody wants to sponsor us a hotel room, we got 6 sardines shoved up in here. Hopefully that if the people are watching this,
We're going to put this
Hey,
out.
that key.
yeah,
Look, Joe's cleaning the place.
we only had one room
It must
with
drink
6
everywhere.
people. We got 2 air mattresses and 8 flims sitting on the floor. But so what's
Best
happened?
driver we got on the floor. What in the world?
Look at my nose, it's packed. But so game plan is real quick turnaround. We'll see you guys tomorrow. They rained out tonight. Dad wrecked the Falcon and he didn't even have his racing clothes on. Joe went through both pair of shoes and then we couldn't get off the track.
We'll
But
be on TikTok.
Oh yeah.
we'll see you guys tomorrow where you get day 2 because they postponed it to tomorrow at 11 or 12:30 is when or 11:30 is when the track opens. And so I think we're going to try it again.
3 o'clock when the race starts.
Hey, real quick, overall thoughts on that track?
I don't want to come by.
I mean, that Joker's banked. So I think it's going to be good. What you
Just
think?
no
it's a
rain
little
next
wet.
time.
A little wet. Track's heavy right now, I can tell you that. So, all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I do like the
Oh, wait a minute.
the prices of the concession stands. I know I joke around about this, but for a fan, it was
Reasonable.
Reasonable? All right. Now, we'll see you guys at breakfast.
Guess what?
Oh, my gosh.
Nobody kicked my car.
See you at breakfast tomorrow. All right, guys, so I've got to give a shout out to our product sponsor for today's video, Pop Tech. These guys have sent us a magnetic phone car mount. These things are really cool for hands-free driving. All they do is attach to your vehicle or any of the vehicles that you would like for it to hold your phone, 4-wheeler, tractor, race car if you want. But these are very handy for hands-free driving. They are very conveniently boxed with everything that you need. They've come with a very strong magnet. They come with all of your 3M sticky pads for your phones or your device. They come with 3 of them so that you don't have to have just one phone eligible to be able to stick to the magnet. So you guys check out the link to this product in the description. This is very cool for me because I do a lot of driving and I use my GPS in my truck. So I'm getting ready to install this on my truck so that I do not have to hold my phone or worry about my phone flipping around. But we want to give a huge shout out to Pop Tech for sending us this product. You guys go and check them out. They are way better than these little magnet suction cup style, because this one, once it beats down on the sun or the sun beats down on it, it just falls off. So I got rid of that one and absolutely I'm going to use this Pop Tech. So y'all go check them out. Thank you so much to Pop Tech. Y'all be sure to support the businesses that support us. Now let's get back to the video.
Before you pass the flag status.
Okay, so it looks like as of now the clouds and rain have stayed away.
Are they coming in? We need to go.
We got to get going. It is 1 something on Sunday, 1:07. We just got done with the drivers meeting, and what they've done so far is they've told us that we are getting 3 hot laps. Then we're going to roll back in line and get 3 qualifying laps, and that will determine our starting positions for the feature. So
I ain't gonna do good today.
the track is still tacky and wet, but
Can't be working on the 7th.
yeah, but the track is still wet, It's a day race, and so that's a lot different than what we're used to. The only other day race that I think I've ever run in my car was at the first race I ever ran, which was Southern Raceway. But we're gonna get our suits on, get everything going, and head out for some practice laps, then hot lap, then qualifying, and then we'll come back and see where we stack up.
Well, y'all heard that. They called it.
What? What?
They just called it.
You're kidding me. Called it. Are you serious? He's joking. Oh, joking.
I don't know. I thought I heard the speaker go off. My bad.
Look at the fan back.
You already telling them what the plan was?
All right, so the plan,
Or what we have planned?
yeah, I told them about the heats and the hot laps sold out. But the plan is to go out here and be wicked fast. Be a rocket ship, like Noah says. So that's what we're gonna do, but obviously, look at this.
What's that saying? Man makes plans.
Luckily, look though, it's going that way.
Yeah.
So hopefully it'll stay away from over there. So I'm getting in my car, I'll see y'all afterwards.
Stay spread out from each other. We're going to try to get you out the hot laps. There's plenty of room. Don't get too close to each other.
We're of higher caliber. This just must mean the Lord doesn't want us racing this weekend.
I mean something.
So we tried to stay, and the rain said, I want to race too. You having fun, aren't you? Show me a belly flop. Oh yeah. You might as well go face first now. Go. Do a belly flop. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. You got it. All right, so after waiting, it's now 3:30. Props, this track did everything in their power to get this race in, so props to this track. They were just very hospitable to us, and they were extremely eager to try to get this track dried up, but unfortunately weather's coming in again. The track's slipping and sliding, so we got our refund and we're headed back south to Mississippi. We will have to come back and give you guys a good race video. We didn't really make no laps. It was almost like a pure stop, so everybody's ready to go home. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Later.